Hello everyone, welcome back with Microsoft PowerPoint's basic tutorials how to set slide timing. Okay, for example, I will use this example presentations in PowerPoint, and then I will set into this option slide sort. Okay, to be showed slide sort. So if you want to add slide timing in this slide, the first slide, you can go to transitions and click in here. You can check and you can set like 5 seconds. Enter. We can set again in here into 5 seconds. So it will be changed every 5 seconds. You can set in here into 5 seconds. To check out, you can click here to preview. You can click and you can see these 4 timings 2, 3, and 5 will be changed. Okay, and then you can see again 10 seconds will be changed into the third slide. You can click and show. To edit again, I will change every 7 seconds. So you can set in here every 7 seconds it will be changed. You can set in here into 7 seconds, or you can set in here into 2 seconds. You can play again. So every 7 seconds it will be automatically changed into slide 2, and change to slide 3 it's about 2 seconds. Okay, you can set in here into 14, it will be changed. Okay, and then it's 16 will be changed into slide 3. Okay, that's it, how to set slide timings in Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.